Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains HD. I'm Liam, here with your daily dose of everything XRP. If you're an XRP holder or just curious about the latest cryptocurrency buzz, you'll want to stick around because today's news signals a seismic shift for Ripple and the entire XRP community. After years of relentless court battles and market uncertainty, a major chapter in the Ripple versus SEC saga has officially come to a close. That's right. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has confirmed the settlement of its long-running lawsuit with Ripple Labs. The details? Ripple will pay a $50 million penalty to the SEC, dramatically lower than the $2 billion originally sought by regulators, and well down from the $125 million penalty imposed last year by Judge Annalisa Torres. Even more interesting, the SEC stated that over $75 million currently held in escrow will be returned to Ripple, further boosting the company's liquidity and, in turn, XRP's position within the market. For anyone new to the space, this legal battle dates back to 2020, when the SEC alleged Ripple raised over $1.3 billion through unregistered securities sales involving XRP tokens. While the court found that Ripple's direct institutional sales violated federal law, it did not rule their programmatic sales to retail investors through exchanges as a violation. Both parties appealed, but this settlement puts the acrimony to rest, clearing the path for Ripple to focus on innovation and adoption. What does this mean for XRP holders? Within hours of the regulatory confirmation, XRP's price reacted sharply, jumping about 6% in just 24 hours and bringing its 7-day return to nearly 4%. Trading volume spiked, signaling strong confidence from both retail and institutional investors. XRP is currently holding above the $2.20 mark, and with daily trading volumes surging to nearly 4.4 billion, we're seeing some serious momentum. But that's just the beginning. There's another catalyst on the horizon that could send XRP to new heights: the anticipated launch of a spot XRP ETF. The SEC's decision on the application from Franklin Templeton is scheduled for June 17th. If approved, this could unlock unprecedented institutional demand. Just think back to what happened with Bitcoin after its spot ETFs were approved in early 2024. We saw a surge in price as mainstream capital flooded in. XRP bulls are hoping for a similar outcome, and analysts are calling this the last chance to scoop up XRP below its current levels before another breakout. Behind the scenes, whale activity is ramping up. Wallets holding between 10 million and 100 million XRP now control over 12% of the total supply, up from just 10.47% a few months ago. This means the biggest players in crypto are positioning themselves for what could be a historic move. And the options market is mirroring this optimism, with open interest climbing and a bullish bias dominating trader sentiment. Away from price action, Ripple is making strategic moves to bolster XRP's real-world utility. The company has announced a major $25 million RLUSD pledge for U.S. teachers, and recently entered into a high-profile partnership with Chipper Cash. Plus, there's growing excitement over new projects like XP Finance, whose pre-sale is expected to hit 10% of its hard cap within just 48 hours, underlining the appetite for innovation on the XRP ledger. In industry news, XRP has scored another win in the real-world adoption game. Logistics Health, a leading healthcare payment infrastructure provider, has announced they'll be leveraging XRP to streamline transactions. They cite XRP's ultra-fast settlement times and minimal transaction costs as reasons to switch from legacy systems to cutting-edge crypto rails. This move is expected to catalyze other industries to follow suit, and it's a clear signal. XRP is no longer just a speculative asset but a critical player in transformative technology. Let's talk about what's next. Technical analysts are watching key support and resistance levels. A breakout above $2.26 on sustained volume could send XRP toward the much-anticipated $3 mark in the coming weeks. However, short-term volatility remains as markets digest macroeconomic trends and potential ETFE decisions. The bottom line? With regulatory overhang finally resolved, whale accumulation accelerating, new institutional products around the corner, and real-world adoption stories stacking up, XRP is entering a new era of potential. If you've been waiting on the sidelines, now could be a pivotal moment. What do you think? Is this the breakout that XRP holders have been waiting for? Or do you see more turbulence ahead? Hit the comments below and let's get the discussion started. If you enjoyed this update and want more unbiased crypto news straight to your feed, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Gains HD, and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. It really helps the channel grow. I'm Liam, signing off. Stay sharp, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next video.